Today's the day either Congress comes up with a budget or government offices close their doors at midnight. Tracy Potts is following the shutdown showdown on Capitol Hill this morning.
Where's the Senate? They're not here.
They're back this afternoon, likely to reject the offer on the table. Republicans say they'll fund the government and prevent a shutdown only if the health law is delayed 1 year.
There's a time and place to debate Obamacare, but not at a time when millions of innocent people are held hostage.
Simply delaying it for American families on the same terms as is being done for big corporations, that's a compromise.
Some Democrats say they'll consider the other string attached, getting rid of a tax on medical devices.
But not with a gun to my head, not with the prospect of shutting down the government.
So who's to blame if there's a shutdown tonight?
The president's the one saying, I will shut down government if you don't give me everything I want on Obamacare.
He wants it because he wants the checkbook, he wants control.
But this was a calculated strategy to drive the country to the cliff and then say, give us what we want.
There's a chance Republicans could come back with one final offer today, with or without strings attached.
We have about 186 employees who would be furloughed.
A last-ditch effort to keep 800,000 federal employees at work. That's about 40% of the federal workforce. There's also a provision in this offer that would include pay for members of the military, almost 1.5 million of them who'd have to go to work. Tracy Potts, NBC News, Washington.
And whatever happens on Capitol Hill today won't change the fact that tomorrow the Affordable Health Care Act rolls out. People can start signing up in the exchanges, but there is a word of warning about some scams. 2 News reporter Patricia Santos is live in the Update Center with more on what we need to look out for. Patricia?
Well, thieves are ready to take advantage of all the new healthcare law confusion to steal your identity. That's why the Better Business Bureau is urging you to help stop this before it's too late. Now, in the future, if not already, you may get a call, email, text, or even just a regular letter in the mail from someone claiming to be with the federal government. They're going to try to sign you up for Affordable Care Act. They may ask you to share personal information such as your social security number or bank account number. Beware, this is a scam and you're likely communicating with a con artist. Now, the only way you can sign up for Obamacare is if you go directly to the website. Don't click on any other links you may get through the email, even if they look legitimate. Now, if you get a call from someone claiming to be with the government, it's better just to hang up and don't trust your caller ID.
We need to be suspicious of it. If it's unsolicited, comes from someone you don't know, that should be an automatic flag. If it's poorly written, is another flag.
Another thing that will help people, no matter how annoying it might be, is every time you go to one of these websites, go up to that address bar and type it in manually and re-log in that way. Don't use any link sent out by anybody.
Now, the government doesn't usually send texts or emails, and they won't be sending people going door to door to sign them up for this health care. Now, there is only one place you can sign up for the health insurance, and that website is healthcare.gov. So make sure you spread the word to make sure that your friends don't become victims. In the Live Update Center, Patricia Santos, 2 News works for you.
And we've made it easy for you to find more information. Just click on to KJRH.com. There's a story about healthcare fraud with numbers to call and local information from the Tulsa Association of Health Underwriters. They are certified to help navigate the health exchanges, and it